Discover It Secured and Capital One Secured are both secured credit cards designed to help people build credit, but the better choice depends on the features, fees, and approval terms available to you. By the end, you'll know how Discover It Secured and Capital One Secured compare, what factors affect your choice, and what to check before applying. Both cards work by requiring a security deposit that helps secure your credit line. The main purpose is to build a positive payment history that can be reported to the credit bureaus. The biggest factor in choosing between them is how each card fits your credit building plan. Discover It Secured may be a good option for people who want a secured card with Discover's account features and the possibility of moving to an unsecured Discover card if they meet the requirements. Capital One Secured is another option for building credit and may offer different deposit and account terms depending on the applicant. The security deposit is one of the first things to compare. A lower deposit requirement can make a card easier to start with, but the exact amount depends on the card offer and approval decision. You should also compare fees, rewards, account management tools, and how each issuer handles account reviews. The most important part of using either card is payment history. Making payments on time and keeping your balance under control can help you build a stronger credit profile. A secured card does not improve credit overnight. The benefit comes from consistently showing responsible credit behavior over time. Before applying, check your credit reports and understand your current credit situation. This helps you choose a card that matches your approval chances and financial goals. Discover It Secured and Capital One Secured can both help people build credit, but there is no single winner for everyone. The right card depends on the terms you receive and how you plan to use it. The key points are simple. Compare the deposit requirements, review fees and features, and focus on making every payment on time. Your next step is to compare the current terms for Discover It Secured and Capital One Secured and choose the card that fits your credit building strategy. Subscribe for more clear explanations about secured cards, credit scores, and personal finance.